every pilot in the sky, there's an aircraft mechanic on the ground. I'm proud to introduce tonight's winner for Person of the Year, Dominic Cummings.
Woo. DC! Y'all can make some noise! Y'all can make some noise! Let's go! DC!
Dominic Cummings, a highly skilled aircraft mechanic, but he's also an instructor at the Aviation Institute of Maintenance in Norfolk. Under his instruction, his student statistics are astonishing. 93% graduation rate, 100% A&P certification rate, and 100% of his students have been employed. Congratulations, Dominic.
This honor is amazing to me. Thank y'all so much for coming out here tonight, first of all. So do me a favor, on the count of 3, make some noise for Aviation, period. 1, 2, 3, make some noise. Thank y'all so much.